Hi guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. And today's video was highly requested. Well, not highly, but it was requested. A few of my lovely subscribers wanted to know how I achieve my loose wave, so I'm here to show you how I do that. Okay, so first we're gonna start with my hair. My hair is freshly washed. I usually wash my hair on Fridays. Today is Friday. I wash and deep condition my hair, and I air dried my hair, and I moisturize and seal my hair. Okay, so this is what we are working with. So to begin, what I normally do is part my hair. If I want my hair, you know, to be in a middle part, I'll put it in a middle part, or if I want it a side part, I'll part it on the side. But I think that I'm gonna part it in the middle. So I'm gonna take this rat tail comb and part. I like to use my nose as a guideline so I can make sure that it is straight. I'm like the worst at parting in the middle. That's why I usually part my hair on the side, because middle parts I can never get it right. Okay, so I think this is okay. This is all I got. All right, so I'm just going to detangle my hair with a wide tooth comb. All right, and now I'm going to take my fingers and part my hair in two. The reason why I'm not using the comb is because I don't want it to be extremely I don't want the part to show, basically. So when I have my hair down, I don't want the part to show. I take the my wide tooth comb and I comb my hair up. So this is how I do this loose wave. I mean, I have a similar video on my channel, but you know, it's okay. I don't mind doing it again. I just pull it up so my waves could be nice. So this is what I do. Okay, so I gather the hair together and I'm taking it and I am twisting. It's a Bantu knot that I twist into, but not too tight. Okay, we don't want to cause any damage. So I twist and I twist and I twist, and to secure the Bantu knot, I'm using a scrunchie. Okay, and this is it. See, this is just two Bantu knots. So like this, bring the hair up and twist. Not too tight. This is my like go-to weekend hairstyle because it's just so sexy and free. Okay, so this is it. Now I'm gonna tie my hair and go to bed. I didn't bring my scarf. I'm gonna tie my hair and go to bed, and tomorrow morning I'll come and I'll show you guys the finished results. Okay, welcome back to the channel, guys. So it is the next day. It is now time for me to remove my Bantu knots and enjoy my weekend. Okay, so let's get started. All right, and what I do after this, I just separate it. And I put my hands like under my hair and I pull it down so it can fall down. And I just separate. And I separate. Same thing on this side, put my hands and bring down the hair. Oh, so pretty. So this is like my to-go weekend hair. I like, since wash day for me is every Friday, I usually put my hair in like 2 bento knots, and this is how I wear my hair Saturdays and Sundays. It's very easy, just simply 2 bento knots. You see how pretty it looks? And I'm just bringing my hair together so there's no, like, that line is not showing from when I crossed. Oh, I'm sorry guys. All right, so I'm sorry about that. That was my phone, but I'm back. Like I was saying, so I literally just take my hands and I bring down the hair. This is what I do. And I just play with it in the back so my part isn't showing. But this is it. This is the finished result. See? Easy and simple. Okay. So yeah, this is my to-go hairstyle, heatless, carefree, sexy. I love it. Okay, yeah, so I hope you guys found this video helpful. I hope you found it easy. Again, some people were asking me how I achieve my heatless waves, and I thought I'll make this video for you guys. And I do have another one that I'm also gonna link in the card, so you guys can check this one out too. Okay, I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, bye guys.